So it's Sunday, it's almost 9:30 and now I'm going to have my breakfast. Hello guys, usually my Sunday routine is not about more of studies. It's almost about sleeping, cleaning my room and doing my pending workings, but because I have my internals very soon coming within 2 weeks, because of that I have to read so much and I did a study session of 1.5 hours. But in the Sunday the most favorite thing of mine is I do sleep a lot, and or else I do like do my pending works or do some of the editings and all. Guys, like most of the hostel people can relate this short video of mine, because Sunday is mostly prescribed or it is reserved for cleaning stuff. Whether we clean our tables or we clean our clothes, and I think in this hostel life we are learning so much of cleaning, because in home we are usually busy in sleeping or irritating our mother, but here we have to do our own work. So this is one of the lessons which I am learning in my hostel life journey. Once all my work is done, I went to take shower, and Sunday I mostly do a head bath, because the whole week is very hectic and you can't have time to do a head shower because of the so many hectic schedule to do this, that and all. Sunday is a very calm and slow day, and I usually like Sunday because it is a slow day. I like things which are slow and which gives you a feeling of enjoying it, and I enjoy myself during Sunday by taking shower. So hello guys, so it's almost 1:30 and I just took a shower. Now I'm going to have my lunch, and after that I'll be heading towards the library. I don't know about other college mess routine, but in my college Sunday food is almost good, because morning it's dosa and afternoon they provide us paneer. And what can you accept from a college mess? And hostel is more about simple food, and that's it for our Sunday lunch. Today I'm trying to complete respiratory diseases in microbiology, and now I'm currently studying bacterial pharyngitis, atypical pneumonia, and mycobacterium TB. So let's start. So those who don't know, this is how our college library looks like. It's almost empty because it was a Sunday, and except our batch, many of them are just chilling because some are having their graduation function, our seniors are having holidays, and our juniors have just completed our exam. But it is our batch only who had our internal, so we had to study, and I did a study session of my Sunday. And trust me guys, we don't study regularly in Sunday. Sunday is like more of one day we just go out or hang out with our friends, but it is due to the exam season we have to sit for a long hour of study session, because exams were coming up so near. And in med school it's always about study a week or 2 weeks before the exam. But one suggestion, you do guys study. After some time, I came back to my room and I entered the diary. My diary is almost about the poems which I write and post, and I feel very happy to see my room very clean and all. I watched a movie with my friend, which is a very old movie, but I can't show you guys because like it was a very old movie, and I just got deleted that clip, and I just saw one of my favorite movie with my friend, and it was a very old movie, and I just like it. After that, it was almost night, and I just look at this frame whenever it's like my room is almost, it is decorated so well and all. Whenever I come back to the room, I feel very happy. After that, I started to do some of the paintings, because in Sunday, if you don't do something, it's very uninteresting thing. After that, I had to complete my records for the next day to submit it. So we just sat and completed our records, and I was just showing the trip videos to my friends, which I just recently went 2 months back. For that, I had the healthy snacks, and you know what, this clip I just got missed, because it was in the afternoon that one sir or the artist came and he showed this beautiful art of his, and I feel that that should be appreciated, so I just added this in my video, and it was very beautiful to see that small art. And I appreciate all the artists who are very like interesting, who are creative to do this small art, but it gives a very deep meaning. And art is something which will give you happiness, which will make your day a lighter, calmer, and a cool one. So you guys can go through this small video. After that, it was almost night, and I had to do my skincare. Like you should wipe your face thoroughly. Like I'll show you. This is how my face looks after trying the face care routine. So you guys can see here. So you guys can see this is my natural skin. I just took it from the. Should wipe it. Next, take serum. So you guys can see I use this vitamin face serum. Yeah. Take it for a few drops. Take it one, two drops are more than enough. So leave it for let's let it dry for some few seconds. After you guys can see that I'm using this vitamin C Mama covered, and I guess it's really nice for electricity kit. Check it this much. I don't use so much. My face care routine is very rare. I do it like uh, every night, half an hour before going to sleep, or in the morning. It's not possible because morning I have to go to the class. I have to go to posting after coming back from the library, or after coming back from the enhanced to, and this is the end result. So guys, this is the end result. You guys can see here. How can I forget that there was the match going on, and it was RCB versus some other team, and I am the fan of RCB, so I just watched that match with my friend. After that, I had to complete my pending painting, so this was about my painting. After that, I had some patho work to do, or homework, which was given by the teacher, and my friend bought the beautiful tasty sweet. I just had it. After this, I just ironed all my clothes for the next day. Good night, guys.